Cheers from Ed. We have an absolutely wonderful collection of toys to share. It's coming up in February for our winter auction in affiliation with Mars. Stay tuned for more. Okay, let's have some fun. We're gonna have a Bramberger. We're gonna have good looking guy. I don't think he's stock, but he reminds me of stock. German and one of the lesser known characters. We're gonna have a interesting limousine coming up. And this one looks like Bub. But I just gotta say, enough said. What a great toy. Hans Eberl. Gonna have a good looking Moco limo. Oro. Killer piece. I kind of think it's a Dissler. I'll double check. Great layman. We've got an Oro. Tex cab. And a nifty Main Street trolley. Here's a better close-up of a boxed Oro toy. Even a Bing, as well as good-looking trolley. All right, time to get excited yet again. Interesting little German car. We'll let you wait to see what's inside. British-made ambulance. And to me, this was made by a tin maker that probably immigrated out of Germany, early 30s. Could have been somebody even like one of the Bing brothers. I believe it's Eberl. British, and wow, look at that express delivery. More toys heading our way. Killer Corette. JD, John Dissler, Nuremberg. Check out that license plate. Looks like a Bing limousine. You got a Bing garage there. And an Eberl. And then look at that. I think they call this biscuit tin with, looks like the game boxes are in the top. CV10032. Drugstore advertising plane. And great looking biscuit truck. Possibly Lindstrom. Remains to be seen. So keep us in mind for similar German tin toys. It's not too late to consign. All of these will come up for AntiqueToys.com in affiliation with Mars Auctions. And this auction's likely to take place right around the early February dates. So stay tuned for more and sneak in your consignments, please. Take care. For now.